Shwmae, we are here outside Pinewood Studios, Wales, the home of Sgil Cymru, a quality media training provider here in good old Cardiff. The team at Sgil Cymru have trained over 100 apprentices by working with companies across South Wales. Through partnership with Screen Skills, Sgil Cymru is delivering a package of training courses for the UK film and TV industry.
We're a bilingual training provider based at Pinewood Studios here in Cardiff. We offer training for people already in the industry, short courses, longer term courses, and also run 3 kinds of apprenticeships. We run a 12-month apprenticeship in creative and digital media. That's more traditional roles. We run a level 4 apprenticeship for advertising and marketing, and another level 4 apprenticeship in interactive media.
And how did Sgil Cymru come about?
So Sue Jeffries, who is the managing director of Sgil Cymru, she set the company up in 2015. There was obviously a need to train people in the industry and obviously to train people, new entrants, but also people already in the industry to upskill, change direction in their career. So she set up the company 3 years ago now, and here we are now.
And what makes Sgil Cymru sort of different to other media training providers?
I think the fact that we're based in a sort of a working studio is fantastic. When we run our apprenticeships, we offer block learning. So apprentices come in to do their block learning here, so they get to have a real feel and environment where there's lots of people working in the industry. They can network, that kind of thing. I think the fact that all the team are bilingual and the fact that we have industry experience and we come from the industry.
And a study has recently come out where 72% of people apparently learn better on the job. Would you agree with this?
Most definitely. I think so. I think the combination of the on-the-job and off-the-job training and just giving employers and companies the opportunity to grow their own, if you like.